Hello, boys and girls. Today I want to go over some of the new vocab that you're going to find in Module 4. The Module 4 question is, how does food nourish us? The word nourish is a new word, and there's two other words that I want us to really focus on in this new module. Like I said, our essential question for the whole module is, how does food nourish us? Can you read that with me? How does food nourish us? Here's two pictures of different types of food that you might eat or have seen before. Here are the three important words that you are going to hear throughout our unit when we're talking about the digestive system. Now, the three important words that I want you to focus on this week are, the first one, nourish. Repeat the word with me, nourish. You will see it in purple on my screen here, nourish. The words in purple you can read along with me or listen to me read. Nourish. To provide food needed to live, grow, and stay healthy. Nourish. Let's read it together. Nourish. To provide food needed to live, grow, and stay healthy. Nourish. This word nourish makes me think of how healthy foods can be nourishing for our body or help us feel healthy and stay safe. An example of how you can nourish your body right now while you're staying at home is by eating fruits and vegetables with vitamin C, like an orange, or drinking orange juice. Those are things that can nourish your body to help you feel healthy. The next vocab word is system. You can see the next vocab word in green. Read the next vocab word in green with me, system. The word system is a group of parts that work together. Read the word system and the definition with me. System, a group of parts that work together. System, a group of parts that work together. Now, when I think of a system, an example that I'm thinking of is a city school system. Our school district is Baltimore City School System. Within the school system, there are lots of people and buildings that make our school system work so great. Our school system is made up of lots of principals, lots of schools, and lots of students. Those are the groups and parts of people and places that work together to make Baltimore City Schools the best school system for the best students. The last word that I want you to focus on this week is digest. This word is in orange on the slide. Everybody read the new vocab word, digest. Digest. One more time, digest. Now let's read what the word means. To break down food into materials the body can use. Let's read it one more time because those are new words to me too. Digest. To break down food into materials the body can use. Now I know break down means to make something smaller, kind of like when you're in math class and you need to break apart a number into a number bond, into the two parts. So I'm thinking about how the word digest means to make the food that you eat into smaller materials or parts that the body can use. We're going to learn more about these examples of materials as we learn more, but these three words are great and important for you to get started to understand the digestive system a little bit more. Now Ms. Stenger is going to read for you a quick 2 pages on what the food does when it's moving through your body. The pages on this story call it the food's long journey. That makes me think about the pioneers we learned about in Module 2 that took a long, long journey from the east coast of America all the way to the west coast of America. Now, this long journey that the food is going to take in your body is going to travel through 6 different parts. There are 6 different parts in your body in the digestive system, and everyone's body has these parts to help it work super successfully. You need all of these parts to make sure that your food is digested the right way. So here's a picture of your 6 parts. Here's a picture of your 6 parts. Right here that's highlighted is a brand new word you probably never heard before. That is the esophagus. The 6 main parts in your digestive system are, first, count on the fingers with me, the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, and the rectum. Let's read those with me and count them on your finger. You can look to the right of your screen for a picture. Follow my mouse of the pointer for you to follow along. The first part is the mouth, the esophagus, kind of looks like a tube that makes your food travel down your body. Next is your stomach. Next is your small intestine. That's the one that looks kind of like this. Then it's your large intestine. It's a little bit more curly. And last is your rectum. And that's where you exit the waste from your body, like when you go to the bathroom after you eat a big meal. So, if you follow along with the other lesson, you'll hear a little bit more about these parts, and you'll hear a lot of new vocab words. I want you to keep asking yourself, what do those vocab words mean? And post any questions on your Class Dojo page that you have about the digestive system. You'll hear a reading of pages 1 through 25 to help you understand a little bit more. But let's review those important new words that you learned today. The first one is nourish. Nourish. The second word is system. And the third word is digest. Now at home, if you have 3 white index cards, or if you have a notebook, it would be a great idea for you to start making your own word wall at your house. So you can take your marker and your white index card and write the word nourish on the front, and then write the definition on the back. To provide food needed to live, grow, and stay healthy. To provide food needed to live, grow, and stay healthy. That's the word nourish. Then you can use your other 2 your other 2 index cards to record your other new vocab words. If you don't have any index cards at your house, you can write these down on the list of paper that we can keep adding to as we learn so many new words. Another new word that's really brand new and tricky to say is esophagus. Try and say it with me. Esophagus. E-S-O-P-H-A-G-U-S. Esophagus. That's this tube-like track that our food travels down to get to our stomach from our mouth. We'll keep learning more and more about the digestive system, but I hope this introduction helped you learn a little bit more today. Thanks for working so hard on all these new vocab words, friends.